Hey, welcome back. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to create a program in Java that reverses a given number. Well, let's discuss about the approach of the program. Simply, the user will input a number and the program will reverse it. For example, if the input is 1, 2, 3, 4, the output will be 4, 3, 2, 1. And to achieve this, we'll use a while loop to extract each digit and rebuild the number in reverse order. Let's start by setting up the program. We will use the scanner class to tag user input and create a separate method to reverse the number. We import the scanner class for user input. Actually, we will create two methods. Inside the main method, we prompt the user to enter a number. The input is stored in a variable, which we then pass through the reverse method to calculate the reverse number. System.out.println, we will greet the user at first. In the next line, we have to prompt the user to enter a number. To store it, we will take a integer variable num. Then again create our reverse method and we have to call it in main method. Reverse will return integer, so we can take integer type of variable in here and simply call it and print it in the next line. Now let's focus on the reverse method where the actual logic to reverse the number will implement. Now we're gonna create a while loop. So for initialization, we start with new num set to 0. This variable will store the reverse number. The loop will be run until the number is greater than 0. Basically, we have to extract the digit first one by one from the number. So to do this, we're using num modulus of 10 in digit. We extract the last digit of the number. For example, if number is 1, 2, 3, 4, the digit will be 4. To build the reverse, we are multiplying new num by 10 and adding the extracted digit in new num. Now logically resolve that number we take, so we divide num by 10 to drop the last digit. For instance, 1, 2, 3, 4 by 10 becomes 1, 2, 3, right? And lastly, return the new num. The loop continues until all digits are processed and new num contains the reversed number. Let's run the program and test it with a few numbers. I'll enter 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 as an example, and the output is definitely 98765. As you can see, the program works perfectly. And that's how we can create a reverse number program in Java. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to codeKotha for more beginner friendly programming tutorials.